The United States will host the second Summit for Democracy on March the 29th and 30th. A Pakistani scholar says the summit is not for uniting the world, but to divide it, and democracy has been used as a tool by the United States to serve its interests.
In 2021, there was a summit of democracy, and this was a summit that was meant to divide those countries that are considered democratic in the United States perspective and pitting them against those that they consider to be undemocratic, those that conform to the American understanding of what it is to be democratic and those that don't. And I think this is an unfortunate way of weaponizing a concept that should in fact be uniting the world. I would use the word tone deaf on the part of the United States to be talking about ideas that we in the global south know have been used to weaponize against us, against our prosperity, against our people. So it's unfortunate that a concept that should be there for uniting people is being used to divide.
The first so-called Summit for Democracy was held in December 2021.